Haha, looks like a snake? Well, you might be wrong. What about these cool and stylish sneakers? Stick around, we have a lot more. All the links to the products are in the description below. SwitchBot Smart Curtain Robot. SwitchBot is a cool gadget that can make any curtain smart. I have been using this gadget for more than 6 months now and I am loving it. SwitchBot is wireless, smart, and super convenient to use. Using this smart home accessory is very simple. Just clamp it onto your curtain rod, pair it with your smartphone, and SwitchBot will take care of the rest. Since not every curtain is the same, SwitchBot comes with a set of add-ons that you can use. Coming to the features, this gadget connects to your smartphone through which you can control your curtain. You can set schedules so that the bot will automatically open or close the curtain at a specified time. 70My A800 Front and Rear Dash Cam Combo. With so many vehicles on the street these days, it's better to be safe than sorry. There could be situations where you are blamed for accidents in which you are the victim. According to me, every vehicle should have some sort of camera to record events, good or bad. If it is good, you can post it on your social media. If it is bad, you can have it as proof for rare cases where you are falsely accused. There are so many car cameras on the market. Today, we have one such camera, but with a lot more features that you might not even hear about. Meet 70My A800, a smart front and rear cam combo for cars. This ever-vigilant 24/7 guard dash cam has been termed the hidden guardian because it continuously records incidents and accidents on the road efficiently. RHINOKEY Titanium Key Organizer with LED. To enjoy the RHINOKEY Key Organizer, you don't have to be any particular sort of man. You may be macho, metro, or Crocodile Dundee, geek, sleek, or corporate. This Renaissance Titanium Key Organizer appeals to all seasons of men. The RHINOKEY EDC tool is as multifunctional and versatile as the men for whom it was designed. All keys are hidden inside a rectangular titanium case measuring 3 1/4 inches by 1 1/4 inches. It fits in the palm of your hand. It slides easily into front or back pockets. No keys spill out. Instead, all keys are stacked and hidden inside the lightweight rectangular titanium case. A single key may be selected or multiple keys may be fanned out if one is going through a series of locks. It is a jackknife for keys. PowerUp 4.0 Smartphone-Controlled Paper Airplane. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to be able to put a motor and an onboard circuit on a paper airplane and turn it into an RC airplane? Well, now you can with this smartphone-controlled device that attaches to any paper airplane and allows you to fly it from the ground. That means you can turn a simple paper airplane, or balsa wood or cardboard plane, into a fully functioning RC airplane with this amazing device. PowerUp 4.0 has an onboard computer and circuit and can function on autopilot. The device also includes a wind stabilizer, allowing you to fly in windy conditions, as well as a launch assist, meaning that even if you throw a bad launch for your flight, the onboard computer will stabilize the plane and pull it up safely into flight. Bosma Aegis Smart Deadbolt and Door Lock. The security of your property is a critical aspect that should be given priority. One best way of enhancing the security of your home or office is by installing a smart lock. Aegis is one such smart lock that has a ton of cool features. With Aegis, you will have gotten the power to automatically lock and unlock your door with your smartphone, voice assistant, etc. Its break-in detection feature will wow you, as you no longer have to worry about intruders. Incredibly, when you install the Aegis Smart Lock, you just replace one part of your deadbolt and not your entire existing locking system. Therefore, you will not have to replace your door keys, nor will you tamper with the existing exterior decor of your door. This smart deadbolt comes with an app that gives you the power to remotely control your door. You have the power to lock it and unlock it wherever you are, which is incredible. You can also manage and authorize others to be able to access the doors remotely. Finally, it gives you a history of how the door has been accessed, which is a useful security detail. Bebird N3 Pro camera-equipped ear cleaning tweezers. Throw out the cotton buds, Bebird N3 Pro is here. The revolutionary ear cleaning tweezers is a smart ear cleaning technology that redefines ear cleaning as the manufacturers claim. So, we decided to see what it was all about. The robotic arm technology provides multifunctionality. When the lid is off, you get tweezers and a visual cleaning rod with it back on. Bebird comes in 3 size options, allowing for easy switching depending on who is using it. It means one Bebird N3 tweezers can serve the whole family, from adults to kids. Bebird Note 3 Pro allows you to get a visual during the cleaning. It has a 10 million pixel high-definition camera that gives you real-time footage. The special lenses give more clarity, and the LED lights eliminate shadows. All these features allow for greater accuracy and precision when cleaning. Another interesting innovation is the 360-degree angle projection. The ear cleaning tweezers have a 6-axis gyroscope. It assures safety during usage by maintaining the right measurement. You avoid injuring your eardrums because of improper or too deep insertion, like is the case when using earbuds. It makes the Bebird N3 tweezers safe for kids as young as 3 years. Yescom LifeSmart LED Smart Hexagon Touch Lights. Yescom LifeSmart is an incredible DIY LED light kit that is equipped with 10 light blocks as well as 1 tabletop base. In addition to that, the Wi-Fi Smart LED light kit features 10 wall mounting bases that are highly flexible. With this device, you will be able to enjoy the fantastic part of DIY. There are 10 blocks that you can splice together and create your unique shape and design. You will be able to enjoy the gorgeous effects, and you will be able to create a romantic environment with the utmost ease. The best part is that this device is relatively easy to use since it is equipped with flexible controls. It is equipped with touch, smartphone, as well as voice control with both Google Home and Amazon Alexa. You will be able to control the device using voice control via your smartphone or the voice sensor present on the USB cable. The colors of the light will change in accordance with the sound it senses. Robobloq Coding Robot, a cool STEM toy. Meet Kobo, one of the coolest coding robots for kids. With Kobo, your kids can play, learn, and master coding skills. What has attracted me the most is the signs and Kobo's card recognizing capability. The game maker has thoughtfully designed the coded cards. If I were to give this to my kids, I am pretty sure they would find no difficulty in setting it up. Truly, Robobloq is the best for kids of about 3 to 8 years. The look of this robot toy is kinda cute. Aw, those tiny little eyeballs. Unlike a traditional remote control toy, this robot can be programmed via your smartphone or laptop. With drag and drop programming, the interface can be used by a 5-year-old kid too. Luminous fiber optic LED shoes. New design and technology, Shin Max light-up shoes have 7 single colors glow and 4 flashing models. They are very fashionable LED sneakers for men and women. Cool sneakers light up your feet and catch all eyes on you. Show your style in the festival, party, performance, band, activity, gift, etc. The outsole of the LED shoes is made of soft EVA material, lightweight with high abrasion, endurance EVA outsole, and fiber optic mesh material. Soft and comfortable, fiber optic shoes can provide a good buffering for your feet when you are walking. The LED light shoes have many breathable mesh. Light-up sneakers keep your feet dry and cool without feeling tired in a short time. Innovative design. Pivot Power Flexible Power Strip. Pivot Power is a new power strip that enables users to use multiple oversized electric plugs at once. The device is a direct response to the abundance of large brick-like cords that come with almost all of today's digital gadgets. While the traditional straight power bar only allows 1 or 2 of these plugs, the Pivot Power can be curved to use all 6 of its outlets at once. The design was developed by Quirky, an online community that gives everyone the chance to get product ideas out of their heads and onto shelves.